Ever wondered how to turn facts into captivating videos effortlessly? Get ready to unlock the power of AI and witness the fusion of two AI tools that will help you generate over 1,000 monetizable viral YouTube shorts in just a couple of minutes. Here are examples of monetized facts channels on YouTube. As you can see, this channel is generating quite a good number of views and subscribers, and all they do is create simple short videos that basically state facts in different categories. Here is another example of the same type of channel, and just like the previous channel, this one is also raking in thousands of views and subscribers. Let's check out one of the videos on this channel so you can see for yourself how simple and easy it is to create these types of videos. As you can see,
anyone can do it.
But the problem is, to make it in this niche, you will really need to create many videos to accumulate your total channel watch time. As you know, your channel needs to accumulate up to 4,000 watch hours before it gets monetized. That's where creating bulk short videos comes into play. So, how do you go about creating 1,000 fact videos in just minutes? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me introduce you to the two secret weapons in this game, ChatGPT and Canva. These AI tools are changing the video content creation game. You can use just these two AI tools to create story videos for your channel, motivational videos, you name it. However, today, I will be showing you how to use both tools to create fact shorts for your channel. Let's kick things off with ChatGPT. If you still do not know, ChatGPT is a treasure trove of content. I'll walk you through the process of harnessing its power to generate engaging facts. This is where the AI magic starts. First, create an account by signing up or logging into ChatGPT if you already have an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now, since we will be using ChatGPT to help generate the facts that will be used in the videos, your focus should be on entering a prompt. Basically, you want to ask ChatGPT to whip up batches of engaging facts designed for easy sharing and relatability. These are the magic formulas for audience engagement when it comes to fact videos on YouTube. To ensure it gets what you're after, load in some examples. That will help save you time for proofreading. You also want to ask it to mix different types or categories of facts like relationship facts, psychology facts, heartbreak facts, nature, boys, girls, and so much more. This variety of facts will help prevent you from getting the same type or category of facts repeatedly. To finish up, you want to ask it to give you the generated facts in an Excel format. That way, you can seamlessly move it into the next AI tool. Don't worry, I'll share this exact prompt with you in the description box below. This prompt will coax ChatGPT into generating batches of attention-grabbing facts. Trust me, you will need that for audience engagement. If you will be using the prompt below this video, you might want to tweak the numbers for quality. The best recommendation will be to generate 30 to 50 facts at a time. If you ask for all 1,000 facts at once, you might end up with less than stellar content. ChatGPT thrives in smaller, manageable requests. So after entering the prompt, hit enter on your keyboard and let ChatGPT do its thing. Now, if you use the exact prompt, it will give you columns of data, each representing a fact type or category, opening line, and punchline. Now, you want to replicate the process and keep using the same prompt, changing the number of facts requested and/or adding different categories of facts until you hit your 1,000 facts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notified of new videos and be part of the community of thousands of engaged viewers. Alright, buckle up for the next AI magic. Now that you've got your treasure trove of facts, it's time to unleash the second wizard in your AI toolkit, Canva. Just picture a magical realm where those facts you generated transform into captivating videos. Let's dive in. Head over to canva.com. If you haven't joined yet, no worries. The link is waiting for you in the description. Once you're in, search for YouTube Shorts and choose a blank template. Now, let's add a dash of flair. To unlock Canva's full potential, you might want to sign up for their free trial. With the free trial, you will be able to use all the pro features for a month, and after that, you can cancel anytime. But guess what? 30 days is more than enough time for you to whip up thousands of short videos for your YouTube channel. Imagine having a treasure trove of content to post on YouTube for the next few months. Exciting, right? Once you're set with the trial, let's start crafting those videos. First up, choose a background video. Hit the Elements option, then scroll down to the Videos section here. Click on See All and search for something like a waterfall or a sunset. Pick an ambient background, drag it into the blank canvas, and adjust it to cover the white space. You want to also adjust the video duration to about 6 seconds. That's because longer videos might not be engaging enough for this types of facts videos. Just drag the video down here to around the 6-second mark. Next, remove any background noise or music from the video by clicking on the video, then on the volume icon up here, and drag the volume all the way down to muted. Now that your video has a background, it's time to add text placeholders for the topic, opening line, and punchline. For now, just look at these placeholders like puzzle pieces waiting for your facts to fill them in. That means the placeholders will be swapped out with the real data later. Just drag the Add a Heading option onto the video, position it where you want it. To create a similar vibe to the facts video example I showed you at the beginning of this video, make sure your text is centered. Now, let's jazz it up a bit. Change the text color and add a background to make it pop. To do that, click on Colors, choose your favorite color, and then spice it up with a background. Just play around with fonts and other edits to make it uniquely yours. Once you've got the topic sorted, click on it and select Duplicate. You want a duplicate for the opening line and punchline. Then drag the duplicated text and put them below. Expand the text box to the edges to give enough space for the imported facts to wrap within the box and not overflow outside the video frame, making it unreadable. Adjust the fonts and make them stand out. Now, here comes the cool part. Add timing to your text. Now, let's change the timing for when the 2 sets of text appear in the video. You don't want both to display at the same time. To do that, right-click on the opening line text, select Show Timing, and that will pop up this timeline at the bottom. It's a good idea to have the opening line to displayed for most of the video's duration, and then have the punchline appear for a shorter period. This will encourage viewers to re-watch the video, leading to longer retention and higher watch rates, which is really important in order to make your video go viral on YouTube. So with a sprinkle of creativity and Canva's magic, you've just crafted a video that's ready to dazzle viewers on YouTube. Now the final step in the whole process is connecting the facts you generated using ChatGPT to the text placeholders. To do that, you will need one of Canva's many AI tools called Bulk Create. Think of it like spotting a wizard at the bottom left corner of your screen. Pure magic waiting to happen. Just head over to the bottom left and click on Apps. You'll see a lot of options. Search for Bulk Create and click on it. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy your table of facts. Import them into Canva by just clicking on the option here that says Enter Data Manually. This pop-up will appear. Paste in the facts you copied from ChatGPT in the name section and click on Done. By doing that, you are essentially telling Canva to generate multiple slides each with a unique set of facts. At this point, all that is left is connecting the facts to the appropriate placeholder on the video. To do that, you want to right-click on the topic text and choose Connect Data. Then select Topic once again. You'll see clams around it this time, which means your data has now been connected. Just repeat the same process for the opening line and the punchline, but with the right source. With everything connected, you can now move the punchline text and put it over the opening line text. That's simply because we want both sets of text to display one after the other in the same spot. When it's lined up correctly, click on Continue here on the left side. Now when you hit Generate, it will bulk create videos for all the facts that ChatGPT provided. You can scale this up to thousands of videos with just a few clicks. It's like having your very own video factory. This method's a gem for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, platform where viewers are hungry for bite-sized, frequent content. Next up is exporting the generated videos to your platform of choice. You can either download and upload the videos manually or use Canva's direct integrations with YouTube. If you want to take your video creation to the next level, you can use some online software to further edit the videos and add a trendy sound to all of them. This will boost the engagement of these videos a lot and make them more captivating than before. So go ahead, try this magic recipe And let's know what you think in the comments below. Oh, and before you dash off, show some love. Subscribe, ring that notification bell. I promise more fantastic videos are on their way.